With each step you take, you grow stronger and stronger, more and more skilled, more and more self-confident, and more successful. Mark Victor Hansen. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss asking questions using did and was. How can you ask questions using the helping verb did and was? Did in question. To make a question in the past tense, we normally use the helping verb did, the beginning of the question. Did is used with regular or irregular verbs in English. Question structure: did plus subject plus verb plus object plus question mark. Look at the questions that begin with did. Did she go home? Did you go to school yesterday? Did you go to school yesterday? Did they eat the ice cream? Did they eat the ice cream? Did she eat grapes? Did she eat grapes? Did you learn English? Did you learn English? Did you call me last night? Did you call me last night? Did they attend the wedding? Did they attend the wedding? Did he work every day last week? Did he work every day last week? Did they buy the milk? Did they buy the milk? Did Veena pay the rent yesterday? Did Veena pay the rent yesterday? Did you lock the main door? Did you lock the main door? Did you receive any email? Did you receive any email? Did you get to the party by car? Did you get to the party by car? Did you start the work at 10 o'clock? Did you start the work at 10 o'clock? Did they send the parcel last month? Did they send the parcel last month? Did they work in the garden this morning? Did they work in the garden this morning? Did you drive to the party last night? Did you drive to the party last night? Did he go to work last Sunday? Did he go to work last Sunday? Did your father buy vegetables? Did your father buy vegetables? Did your mom clean the house? Did your mom clean the house? Did she finish writing? Did she finish writing? Did Priya meet you? Did Priya meet you? Did you watch movie yesterday? Did you watch movie yesterday? Did you play tennis? Did you play tennis? Did he break the toy? Did he break the toy? Did you go home? Did you go home? Did you get there? Did you get there? Didn't he work every day last week? Didn't he work every day last week? If you pay attention clearly in these sentences, you can identify that the answer for these questions can be yes or no. So, these type of questions are called yes or no type questions. Did is used to ask questions in the past tense. Next, we are moving to was. Was it they who wanted book? Was it they who wanted book? Was is used with singular subject. Singular subject and the action is completed in the past. In that case, you can begin the question with the helping verb was. And the answer for this type of question also yes or no. Was it your sister? Was it your sister? Was it the only one who answered the questions correctly? Was it the only one who answered the questions correctly? Was it you who switched on the fan? Was it you who switched on the fan? Was there somebody at the door? Was there somebody at the door? Was your lunch delicious? Was your lunch delicious? Was he playing? Was he playing? Was your mother sick last month? Was your mother sick last month? Was Rima a good student? Was Rima a good student? Was she late again? Was she late again? Was I early? Was I early? Was I correct? Was I correct? Was the book in the car? Was the book in the car? Was it windy? Was it windy? Was the weather cold? Was the weather cold? Was the door closed? Was the door closed? Was it your birthday last week? Was it your birthday last week? Was a horse in its stable? Was a horse in its stable? Was your photo in the newspaper? Was your photo in the newspaper? Was the book interesting? Was the book interesting? Was there anyone in the garden? Was there anyone in the garden? Was she interested in me? Was she interested in me? Was it your father who wanted umbrella? Was it your father who wanted umbrella? Was she at the door? Was she at the door? So far, I've learned to ask questions using the helping verb did and was. And don't forget, did and was are used to ask questions which happened in the past, that is, completed action. And was is used with the singular subject for past action. Hope you like this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.